Hi, if you're considering a career in digital marketing, then an internship at Hop Online is a great move for you. Hi, I'm Paris. I'm the CEO here at Hop Online. I want to tell you a little bit about what you can expect from an internship here at our agency. We will be putting you through a rotational program where you'll get exposure to all of our major service divisions, and you'll also get to spend time with our client success team. So here at Hop Online, we have 4 major service pillars. Those are SEO, content marketing, PPC, which is Google Ads primarily, and social media marketing, which is mostly Facebook and LinkedIn. So you'll be spending about 2 weeks working with each of these 4 teams across those service lines. And you'll also be spending a couple of weeks with our client success team. And our client success managers are the people who are essentially account managers that are looking over the overall success of our clients. So in about a 12-week period, you will get a whole lot of exposure to all the major channels of digital marketing. You're going to get really hands-on experience working with real practitioners here in our agencies, working on real projects, international projects, and probably interacting with our clients in English all around the world. And at the end of that, you'll have the opportunity to select which of the service areas or which area of specialization you want to go deeper into. And your internship will finish with a project deliverable in that area of specialization. So it's really a fantastic opportunity if you really think that digital marketing is a great potential career for you. So we look forward to meeting you and look forward to seeing your application. Thanks.